Imagine a world where the convenience of online shopping meets the innovation of startups. This is not a distant reality, but a present truth. Unseen heroes are reshaping the e-commerce landscape. Today we journey through the top 30 startups that are revolutionizing e-commerce. First on our list is Shopify Plus. This startup is not just a platform, it's a powerhouse for growth. It provides a robust toolkit for businesses, allowing them to scale and adapt swiftly in the dynamic e-commerce arena. Shopify Plus is redefining what it means to be an e-commerce platform. Next, we have BigCommerce. This startup is making waves in the e-commerce industry with its software-as-a-service platform. BigCommerce is democratizing e-commerce, enabling businesses of all sizes to compete on a level playing field. Thirdly, we encounter WooCommerce. This open-source plugin turns any WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce platform. WooCommerce is breaking down barriers and opening up the world of e-commerce to a broader audience. Moving on, we have Magento. This platform is a powerhouse for businesses, offering a plethora of features and customization options. Magento is pushing the boundaries of what an e-commerce platform can offer. Then we have Volusion. This startup provides an all-in-one e-commerce solution for small to medium-sized businesses. Volusion is simplifying the e-commerce process, making it accessible for everyone. Next up is 3D Cart. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of e-commerce tools, from inventory management to SEO optimization. 3D Cart is streamlining the e-commerce process, allowing businesses to focus on what they do best. As we continue our journey, we encounter Squarespace. This startup is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry with its sleek designs and user-friendly interface. Squarespace is making online shopping a visually appealing and enjoyable experience. Further down the list, we find Wix. This platform offers a range of customizable templates, allowing businesses to create a unique online store. Wix is empowering businesses to express their individuality through their e-commerce platform. As we near the end of our list, we come across Weebly. This startup provides a drag-and-drop website builder, making it easy for anyone to create an online store. Weebly is democratizing the e-commerce industry, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Lastly, we have PrestaShop. This open-source platform offers a range of powerful tools for managing an online store. PrestaShop is pushing the boundaries of what an e-commerce platform can achieve. These startups are not just changing the e-commerce landscape, they are redefining it. They are breaking down barriers, democratizing the industry, and empowering businesses to reach new heights. The future of e-commerce looks promising thanks to these innovative startups. They are paving the way for a new era of online shopping, characterized by convenience, individuality, and limitless possibilities. So, the next time you shop online, take a moment to appreciate the unseen heroes behind your shopping experience. The startups that are revolutionizing e-commerce and shaping the future of online shopping. These are the startups that are making a difference, one click at a time.